Morning.
Hello, how you doing?
How are you?
Good morning, morning all. Yeah, another week at RedClean. It's a bit of a quiet week this week. We've got a few lads on holiday. We're on a bit of a stop break between some big jobs. So yeah, there's not a lot of the big stuff to look at this week. So I want to get you, if it's all right with you, if you want to jump in with Aaron for a day.
Yeah.
Just go out and follow a cleaner around. But yeah, be a little bit nosy. Try and get some information out of him. Does he like being here? Yeah, just interview him basically. Let's get some of the nitty gritty of Aaron's life.
Yeah, drop me some messages for some questions. And
yeah, no worries.
I'll bung them over to him as well.
Okay, no worries. So yeah, we'll just yeah, we'll go with that today and then see what the week brings.
All right then, sweet. I'll see you a bit later.
All right, mate, catch you later.
Here with Aaron. Hello, Aaron.
Hello.
I've got some questions for you, if you don't mind me asking.
Go on then.
How long have you been working? Let me start again. How long have you been working at RedClean?
I think I've just reached the 2 year mark.
Do you want me to say it again?
Yeah, go on then.
How long have you been working at RedClean, Aaron?
Just about 2 years.
Yeah?
Yep.
What type of training and certificates do you have for the services that you provide for RedClean?
None. I actually don't.
Driving licence.
Okay, yeah, driving licence.
And that's it.
Just a driving licence.
What's the most challenging job you've ever had at RedClean?
Challenging job. Steam cleaning roofs.
That's easy.
Not when you're up there.
Yeah, you just hold the pole and the steam does the work, right?
Yeah, no, but you've got to hold on to it, otherwise it shoots off.
Ah, okay. Yeah, I've seen one get Craig split one. That will take your skin straight off.
Yeah.
How often should your gutters be cleaned to prevent blockage and damage?
I would say a couple of times a year.
Well, like 2 times a year.
Yeah.
What's the biggest challenge you've had doing gutter? Apart from, I know some say the clips come off the sides and then you've got to get a ladder and...
I think it's not really challenging, but if it's a 3-storey building, apart from getting up there and having a look, it's hard to tell if you've got everything.
Okay.
If you do it from the ground.
Do you do pressure washing as well?
Yeah. I have done pressure washing, yeah.
Do you prefer that or do you prefer windows?
Oh, I like pressure washing.
Do you?
Yeah.
What, therapeutic?
Yeah, it is. Very.
Here's Harry, just come along to look busy. Harry's never camera shy, is he, Aaron?
No, he's not. Hiya, Harry.
Yeah, I like to be on camera.
What special considerations are there for cleaning with Harry? I lost the question now.
What special considerations? You've got to be able to learn to ignore.
Right. What special considerations are there for cleaning conservatories compared to regular windows?
I don't know.
Come, mate, my arm's hurting.
I don't know, mate.
Do you want to call a friend?
Yeah, I'm going to have to.
Go on, ring Craig now.
So, special what we have to look out for when we're cleaning conservatories is we have to be a little bit slow with it because the paintings can be so much bigger. So we have to take the time with it and make sure there's no debris left on the window.
Harry hasn't got a microphone on and you might not be able to hear him, so I will overlay it later, what he said about special windows. I edit you in post, Harry.
Special considerations.
Special considerations.
Okay, guys.
Aaron?
Yeah,
You got your hose stuck.
I have. I always get my hose stuck.
Any thoughts, Aaron?
Huh?
Any thoughts on that? Look like you feared for your life.
Nah. Just... Now, bored of waiting for people to move. Right, mine's all right. I don't know, mate. Just there.
Can you look there, man?
Don't stand on the hose.
Oh, sorry, man. I'm trying to walk.
Go on, Harry, hurry up. Get his driving licence.
Lego lad.
Yeah, I was about to say, look at it, Lego lad.
Aaron getting wet.
Oh, well, I'll let the boss know he's off the hook.
If you had one wish, what would you wish for?
For my kids to always be healthy.
We love a bit of health and safety, don't we?
Oh yeah.
Toolbox talks. All them health and safety meetings. I never go to them, do you know why? Because they don't have coffee there.